Are you wondering whether now is the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? Today, we're diving deep into Palantir, taking our analysis to the next level. Our initial report was published on our website just a few days ago, but now we're bringing you an even more comprehensive breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest insights. You won't want to miss any key updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by the cutting-edge GPT-4 technology, available exclusively at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of Palantir, a stock that has been making waves since October 20, 2023. Our system has ranked it as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.91. But what does that mean for its performance? Let's find out. Picture this: the stock market is a roller coaster, and Palantir has been along for the ride. Throughout this period, it has experienced some natural fluctuations, but the good news is, it has managed to gain 3.29%. Now, let's break it down further. On average, Palantir has been delivering a solid return of 1.1% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. That's pretty impressive, don't you think? Get ready for an exciting roller coaster ride in the stock market. The stock we're looking at today is moving within a wide and horizontal trend. But hold on tight, there's more to come. Let's dive into the numbers. Over the next 3 months, there's a potential -1.66% change in store. It's a small dip, but don't worry, there's still room for a return between -18.11% and 16.32%. Buckle up for some suspenseful twists and turns. Now, fasten your seatbelts for the 12-month trend. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping 116.55% change. Yes, you heard that right. The stock has the potential to skyrocket, with a return ranging between 72.13% and a staggering 197.99%. Can you imagine the possibilities? We're talking about a potential price range of $28.64 to $49.59 after just 1 year. Buckle up, folks. It's time for our daily update on Palantir, and today's headline reads, Green Day on Tuesday for Palantir. Hold on tight as we dive into the exciting world of Palantir's stock market performance. On the last trading day, Tuesday, October 24, 2023, the Palantir stock price soared by an impressive 2.72%, surging from $16.20 to $16.64. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a thrilling 3.87% fluctuation, hitting a low of $16.30 and reaching a high of $16.93. While the price has risen in 5 out of the last 10 days, it's important to note that it's still down by -6.52% for this period. Adding to the intrigue, volume fell by a staggering -16 million shares on the last day alone. In total, approximately 40 million shares were bought and sold, with a value of around $657.91 million. Keep an eye out for falling volume on higher prices, as it could be an early warning sign of possible changes in the coming days. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, Palantir's stock has seen some remarkable highs and lows. The highest price recorded was an impressive $20.24, while the lowest dipped to $5.84. Currently, the price stands at 17.79% or $3.60 below its 52-week high. And wait for it, it's a staggering 63.02% or $28.36 below the all-time high reached on January 27, 2021, when the price skyrocketed to $45. Can you imagine that? Get ready for the latest analyst ratings on PLTR. Brace yourself for some exciting news. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an impressive outperform grade with a confident hold action. But that's not all. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley had a different perspective, giving PLTR an underweight grade with a bold downgrade action. Let's dive deeper. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush once again had something to say, awarding PLTR with an encouraging outperform grade and a steady hold action. Keep your eyes open. On the same day, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs labeled PLTR as neutral with a cautious hold action. And finally, on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James predicted great things for PLTR, granting it an optimistic outperform grade with a balanced hold action. Are you wondering about the future of Palantir stock? Well, let me tell you, the analysts are giving it a general buy rating. But that's not all. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. Can you believe it? Now, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. It's definitely something to consider. Get ready for some exciting news about Palantir. Let's dive into the signals that have been identified for this stock. The Palantir stock is showing a mix of signals. In the short term, the moving average suggests a sell signal, but in the long term, it indicates a buy signal. This creates an interesting scenario. As of now, the short-term average is above the long-term average, giving a general buy signal and a positive forecast for the stock. However, keep an eye on the resistance it might face at around $16.92 on further gains. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $15.94 from the long-term average. Pay attention to any breakthroughs or breakdowns of these averages, as they can send strong signals. But wait, there's more. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. However, we noticed a divergence between volume and price during the last trading day. Despite the stock gaining prices, the volume fell. This could be an early warning sign and needs to be closely monitored. Now, let's talk about some negative signals that have been issued. A sell signal came from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 12, 2023, and so far, the stock has fallen by -7.25%. It seems like there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. This development could have an impact on the near short-term future of the stock. Hey there! Get ready to dive into some fascinating signals that you won't want to miss. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving off a strong buy signal. Next up, we have the pivots. This indicator flashed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a compelling buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. Brace yourself for the short-term moving average, which recently signaled a sell 8 days ago. And the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal that went off 17 days ago. Now, let's analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It presented a buy signal 17 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, here's what we uncover. The short moving average triggered a buy signal just 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is waving a sell signal from 17 days ago. Once again, let's examine the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It's indicating a buy signal 11 days ago. Before you go, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for even more exciting signals. Are you ready to dive into the world of Palantir? Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for this intriguing stock. Picture this: Palantir's stock finds support just below today's level at $15.41 and $15.25. You know what they say, when a stock tests a support level, there's always a bit of risk involved. Why? Because if that level is broken, the stock may take a tumble to the next support level. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $15.41. But hold on, if that breaks, brace yourself for the next support levels at $15.25 and $14.98. Now, here's where things get interesting. This stock has a penchant for volatility. It can move mountains during the day, making it a high-risk option. And guess what? The Bollinger Band predicts a large range of movement for this stock. So, buckle up. Let's take a look at the numbers. In the last day, Palantir's stock saw a jaw-dropping $0.630 movement between its highest and lowest points. That's a whopping 3.87%. And if you thought that was impressive, hold on tight. Over the past week, this stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.61%. Talk about excitement. Hey there, before we jump into the exciting world of trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data that you need to know. First up, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This is a crucial metric that measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Now, a negative PE ratio may sound alarming. It basically means that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could be a signal of insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. So, it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. Did you know that the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on NOV-02-2023? Mark that date on your calendar. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.0600. Now, why is this important? Well, these numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices. So, it's definitely worth keeping a close watch on them. Imagine the excitement of potential day trading opportunities for Palantir. Buckle up as we explore the key levels to watch out for in Palantir's journey. Picture this, an upward trend. The first resistance level for Palantir stands at an intriguing $17.04. If you don't already have shares, consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. And for those who already hold the stock, this could be the perfect level to unleash your swing trading skills. But what about the downside? Brace yourself for the first support level at $15.41. If this support holds strong, it could be your golden opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a glorious rebound. Hey there, folks. Are you ready for some exciting insights on Palantir? Well, hold on tight because we're about to dive into some recent insider trades. On October 2, 2023, Alexander D. made a surprising move by selling a whopping 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. And just a few days earlier, on September 15, Lauren Elena Friedman decided to sell 7,000 shares of Class A common stock. It seems like Lauren Elena Friedman was on a selling spree, as on September 12, they sold 3,595 shares of Class A common stock. Another insider, Wershing Eric H., also joined the selling party on September 5 by offloading 7,000 shares of Class A common stock. And let's not forget about Alexander D., who made another significant sale on September 1, shedding 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. Now, here's an interesting statistic. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power stands at a negative ratio of -19.397. Quite intriguing, right? But that's not all. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 12,100,724 shares and sold 18,177,474 shares. That's a lot of action happening behind the scenes. Are you ready for a stock adventure? Hold on tight because we've got an exciting recommendation for you. Our stop-loss strategy is set at $15.79, minus 5.08%, ensuring that we mitigate risks while maximizing potential gains. But wait, there's more. This stock is known for its wild daily movements, which means every moment counts and the thrill is amplified. We've detected a sell signal from a pivot top that was spotted just 8 days ago. Are you wondering if Palantir stock is a good buy? Palantir shows some positive signals, but we believe there's more to consider before considering it as a buy candidate. Currently, it's best to hold or accumulate this position while waiting for further developments. When we analyze the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As we look ahead to Wednesday, October 25, we anticipate Palantir to open with a decrease of $0.0167 and start trading at $16.62. Are you ready to delve into the exciting world of trading? Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand the risks involved. Trading can be a thrilling endeavor, but it also carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide valuable information, it's important to remember that this should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge, but ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment choices. Hey there! Take a look at this mesmerizing view of the stock market. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Agree or disagree? Drop a comment below and let's start a discussion. Oh, and don't forget to share your target for this stock too. Your insights are valuable to us. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide you toward successful trading. Wishing you a fantastic day from all of us here at StockInvest.